Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adyatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning June 21st to the 27th using this kit from StrawberryLimeDesigns called Beach Day. So as usual, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch me lay down my base and be back for the day by day. I'm using this underlay text from Tilly Journals / Colourful and Co, I think that's what the shop is called, and I'm using a holographic wiggle from SBC. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So enjoy watching me lay down the base. Okay, so now for the day by day, start with Monday, of course. So at the top of Monday, to mark being tired, I use a paper shire pillow sticker. I feel like I always mark being tired on Mondays. And then marked work using a GP Studio sticker and a work script from Simply MS. I believe I marked work the same way for the rest of the week. I then used a Bella Panella like raining character to note that it was a rainy, of course, UK weather for you. Then used I don't know if it's a laughing or crying, like crying of laughter sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio to note playing games with the children, and we had lots of fun. I think that was what I wanted to mark, but I don't know for sure. I then used a GP Studio Zoom sticker to note my lecture, no, my observation. I then use a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji, like e-learning sticker to note a lecture, and then I use another one to note another lecture. Both of those scripts are custom from Bella Panella. I then use a TV icon in like a holographic foil to note watching Castle. Moving on to Tuesday, at the top of Tuesday, I marked being super tired using this Oso Paper Gal. I then marked work the same way I did previously with the GP Studio sticker and the Simply MS script. I then used this Vanilla character from Papershire to note doing maths games. Then used a scissors and comb icon from the foil bundle and an appointment script from Keepsakes by Ashley to note a hair appointment. I then used this like Donna wrap sticker from Papershire to note getting some kebab. I then used a YouTube play button sticker from Melanin Electric and a YouTube binge script from Olive Studio to note a YouTube binge. And then finally I used a Stigwood Planko Sleeping Girl to note like falling asleep as soon as I got home, which I'm not surprised by. Moving on to Wednesday. So on the top of Wednesday I used a Vanilla in the rain sticker from Papershire to note it was raining, but I also marked that it was still hot, which is really confusing. That was really hot, but it was raining. I then used a Nana sticker from Papershire, like sleeping and yawning, to note that I was really sleepy and groggy that morning. Is that the word? I then marked work the same way I had with the GP Studio sticker and the Simply MS script. I then marked Happy Mail using a Planner Face script and a Happy Mail box icon from the kit. Or is it a foiled one? It might be a foiled one actually. I then used a Pay and Observe sticker from Goldman & Coco to note my observation. I then used a Want to Wave Love Zoom sticker to note one of my lectures, and then which was the last one of that lecture. And then I used a Honeybee Shop like Zoom or video call sticker to note another lecture using a custom script from Bella Planella. And then use a binge watch sticker from the GP Studio to note watching Castle again. So that was the first half of the week. Let's move on to the second half. On to Thursday. So on the top of Thursday I marked getting up late using a sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio. I then marked work the same way I had the rest of the week using the GP Studio sticker and the Simply MS script. I then marked using a vanilla character from Papershire that we made cinnamon rolls in Cooking Club. I then marked taking a nap using a Papershire Nana sticker like sleeping and a nap time script from Randy Got Plans. I then marked binge watching more Castle using the same binge watch sticker from GP Studio. But to mark a plan with me binge, I used a Olive Studio Olive with a planner sticker to note that. I didn't have any scripts with me at the time, so that's why there isn't one there, but there is one now there. I then used a burger and drink sticker from SBC to mark getting some BIMs, and then I used a controller sticker from Planner Face to mark that I was playing on my husband's PS5, which was the first time because he got a second controller and then we both played. On to Friday. At the top of Friday, I marked work the same way. GP Studio sticker, simply a mess script, yada yada yada. Secondly, I marked what day is this? Friday. I marked sorting out homework as usual using a laptop sticker from Stickers by Rhonda. I then marked binge watching Castle again using the same sticker from GP Studio. Then I also marked a PlanWithAds binge sticker the same way I did on Thursday using the Olive with a planner sticker. I then marked taking out my hair using a sticker from Sweet Quiet Design. I then marked doing my husband's hair using this couple sticker from Paper Dolls Co. And then I marked YouTube binge with a YouTube play button for Melanin Electric and a YouTube binge script from Olive Studio. And then I marked getting some KFC using this Mixie Cat Stuff sticker to mark ordering KFC. Oh, when will I stop being so ahead of myself? But it's okay, I'm going to keep going. On to Saturday. So the top of Saturday, I marked waking up early using this Stuck On You Designs girl like throwing her alarm clock to know I woke up really early that day. I then used this paper shire like 2 eggs in a pan sticker to note making breakfast. I then marked a film in a haul with an Olive Studio camera sticker and a film haul custom script from Randy.Plans. I then marked doing my hair using a Valiant sticker. I used a camera sticker from the foil bundle to note taking pictures of my hair after I finished. I then used the same binge watch sticker from GP Studio to note binge watching some more Castle. I marked a Plan With Me binge the same using the Olive Studio Olive with a planner sticker. And then I marked getting BIMs the same way as I did before using the Scribble Prints Co. Burger and drink sticker. So I feel like I'm going extra quick with this one because I use the same stickers to mark the same things and I do the same things all week, and I think I do prefer doing it that way. So I think in the future I'm going to try and mark the same things the same way throughout the week because it makes life easier and it's easier for me to remember what I use since I use them so much. Okay, moving on to Sunday. So at the top of Sunday, I marked sleeping in using this Whimsical Cat Studio, that's it, couple sticker and a sleeping script from the Wiggle. I then marked having some cramps using this Joy of Planning sticker. I marked a grocery run with a grocery run script from Adorably Amy Designs and a paper shire Nana grocery sticker. I then marked editing with this Pink Diamond Planner Co. edit sticker. Gal, I think she's on a laptop, and the edit script from Harriet Rat Designs. Then marked doing some planning with a planner sticker from Olive Studio and a planned script from Goldman and Coco. I then marked laundry using a Miss Moss laundry sticker and the laundry script from the foil bundle. And then finally I marked watching Harry Potter 3 using the script from Bella Pan Ella, which is Harry Potter and the Prison of Azkaban, and a Harry Potter character sticker from Papershire. So yeah, that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this video. I will in a second flip through what is left of the kit and show you guys a wiggle. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.